I'm FXCOINZ. This is Chris Lewis taking a look at gold and silver. The gold and silver markets are going to be very noisy over the next couple of days, mainly due to the FOMC meeting that is due on Wednesday. While an interest rate cut is expected and probably won't move the market by itself, what will move the market should be the Jerome Powell press conference and whatever the statement says. At this point, the market is trying to sort out whether or not the Federal Reserve will become aggressively dovish or if it will be a hawkish cut, meaning that they'll take the wait and see approach. I suspect it's probably hawkish, but only time will tell. All things being equal, it's worth noting that the U.S. economy should be one of the better performers next year based on leading indicators. And that is something that I think a lot of market participants are maybe ignoring at the moment. Regardless, precious metals have done well, mainly due to spending, geopolitical concerns, and in the case of silver, perhaps AI. But at the end of the day, there is an underlying bid to gold due to central bank purchases, so that comes into the picture as well. The technical analysis for gold looks pretty strong, with the futures market above the $4,200 level and potentially trying to form a nice channel. The next couple of weeks will be noisy, mainly due to a lack of volume, although the FOMC meeting and press conference obviously will cause chaos. I suspect at this point in time, gold remains a buy on the dip type of situation, with an uptrend line and the 50-day EMA both offering support. And really, I'm not concerned about the trend until we break down below $3,950. It's likely we will eventually try to break above the $4,400 level and go looking to much higher levels. Silver continues to knock on the door of $60, and I suspect it's probably only a matter of time before it does, as we are forming a nice flag pattern. Short-term pullbacks continue to get bought into, and I think the $57.50 level and the $55 level both could offer support in the futures market. If silver breaks above the $60 level, then it signifies the next leg higher. Based on the measured move of what could potentially be a bullish flag, we're talking about the futures market reaching $68, possibly even $69, depending on how you measure things. Silver has been on an absolute rip higher, but the volume isn't as high as it was in the initial push. That's the only negative part here. Regardless, neither gold nor silver look like markets you should be shorting anytime soon.